And to receive money, we support Remitly, Western Union, and Payoneer. But PayPal is not supported in our territory.
Where you guys are you in Bangladesh?
Yeah, we are from Bangladesh. As Parami and Jurain Khan and me, we are team member and we work for Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube marketing, and all type of digital marketing related work. So recently, our team member Jurain Khan has audited your YouTube channel and found some growth related issues. And she already sent you an screenshot mentioning the problem. So if you can fix that problem, definitely your channel possible to grow. So if you're interested, then we'll go ahead.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, tell me more.
Okay, okay. So basically, we found that your channel quality is good, and you are uploading quality content, and you are making eye-catchy thumbnail, and everything is good. But you have some optimizations related issues on your videos, like you are not optimized your video metadata, and you are not using high volume rank tags, and you are not promoting your videos, and you are not recharging your competitor. So if you want, we can help you to fix that problem. At first, we will optimize your video metadata, and we will research your competitor, and we will guide you what should you do and what should not to do, and we will work as a manager of your channel. And beside this, we also promote your videos to your targeted audience. So for that work, mainly we have two packages. One is starter and another is standard. In our starter package, we will optimize your 10 video including promotions and optimizations, and it costs 120 USD, and it takes 7 days to deliver the work. And another package is standard package. In our standard package, we will optimize your 30 video, and it costs 300 USD, and it takes 30 days to deliver the work including promotion and optimizations. So it's your choice which package you want to start with.
Okay. And what would the process be? So what we're doing at the moment, we've got a little bit of focus on being frequent. So doing topical, trending topics using Dr. T, our CEO and founder, um, who is an authority on UK property, lots of experience, very credible um, persona. And what we're trying to do is kind of make him more of an influencer, which naturally we need more views, we need more comments, we need more subscribers to do that. We aim for two longer form videos between 5 and 10 minutes, usually two a week. And then what we've recently been looking at is two shorts. Most days we're trying to put two shorts out there, all on YouTube. We stick them on TikTok and Instagram and everywhere else, but the strategy is YouTube. And then we spend quite a bit of budget promoting those videos. So most videos, unless if it's a brand new video, we will promote it. So we spend quite a bit of money getting those views up. Organically, we might get a few hundred views, maybe 1,000 views. But then we promote it and we get tens of thousands of views. But of course, the engagement and the comments don't really follow when we're promoting the videos. It seems to be that organic traction that gets us some engagement, but engagement obviously is what we're looking for. Interested to know to see how we could obviously better optimize. But for me, I suppose the package that you mentioned, we produce the content, and when we produce it, we need to push it live very quickly. So what's involved for you to do, whether it's the starter or the standard package, with your lead time? We need to we receive a raw video from Dr. T with the green screen, and then within 24 hours, really, we want that live. So what would the process be? How would you manage that?
We can manage. According to your demand, no problem. If you have any short term to publish your videos, then we can manage within short time, no problem. When you upload video, then you keep it unlisted. Then let us know. Then within 1 days maximum, then we can optimize your videos, and then we can publish it, no problem.
Okay, and then in terms of giving you access to the channel, we probably could not do that initially. In terms of being a new supplier, there's even my team don't have access to the YouTube channel. It's myself and Dr. T. So would you be able to do the work and offer guidance offline in a Word document or whatever format for us to then
Yeah,
implement?
for two method. First one is editor access with the editor access, and when client do not want to give their editor access, then we uh, optimize each of the things within a doc sheet. Then we optimize this, and then we hand over our client that sheet. Then they improve their self.
Okay, so what exactly would you be providing us with? Would it be titles, descriptions, tags? Or would you do other things with the service? Would you try and promote the video somewhere else through some other networks? Are there any other aspect? The video itself, would there be things that we would need to change with the video that we're uploading, for instance? Just to get a feel for, again, the process and the workload and what we would need to manage on this side.
Yeah, we normally optimized a package based, like when you upload your one video, then we will optimize this, and then we uh, optimize your metadata like video title, tags, and descriptions. Then we will research high volume rank tag, that type of tag which tag has high search volume but competition is low according to your demand. Then we have lot of tools to pick that type of tags. Then after optimizing, we will make a report sheet, then we will hand over to you. Then you just copy and paste the title, tags, and descriptions by yourself. And we said this, we also promote your videos. And when we do that, you will not get instant result, because we work 100% organically. All of our playlist on rank on YouTube, but it is not possible within overnight. It takes times. So you have to make quality content, then you have to make consistency also. And I think you are maintaining the good consistency, no problem. So uh, our effort and your effort, uh, combiningly your channel possible to grow. So our work starting system is, when you hire us, you can give us 50% upfront and rest of the 50% after completing the work. And to receive money, we support Remitly, Western Union, and Payoneer, but PayPal is not supported in our territory.
Where you guys are, you in Bangladesh?
Yeah, we are from Bangladesh. So our main focus is our client satisfaction, because we believe in long term relationship. Because if I provide you the better service and you are satisfied with my service, then you can rehire me, and that is the opportunity to work with you for a long time. So we try our best to grow your channel, and we want to be 100% legal and honest to our client.
Cool. Yeah, I mean, it's one of those things where, I think promoting the video, I'm very interested in how we get these videos out there, get them more popular, which will then get us more recognition with the algorithms. It's that chicken and egg scenario, isn't it? Popularity is a huge ranking factor, whether it's YouTube, whether it's Google. The more popular a website, the more the algorithm displays it to more people. So it's just trying to get to that point where we're perceived as popular and therefore we appear more often. And I'm sure you guys have got some good techniques and tricks and things like that to get more comments, it's engagement, isn't it? Comments, likes, subscribes. The more of those we get, the better we're going to then appear, and it's the snowball effect. So that's what I'm very interested in. I'd be happy to give it a try as well, especially in the method that you've described there, which is you can provide me and my team with the things that we then need to do and put in place, and you can check on that and make sure we've done it correctly, and really to help and advise, because we're producing the content. What we do with it, that's where we need to know if we're missing something, and if someone can help us with that. And if it works, and it seems cost effective with the numbers that you've quoted there, if it works, then it's something that we'd obviously look to do on a long term, on an ongoing basis as well. So I don't know how many emails you've sent to us, Zoran. You did quite a few, probably. Sometimes people pick the email up, don't they? And every now and again, I'll pick up a marketing email. I think, lots of people email us, obviously, about the YouTube channels. But every now and again, it's just timing, isn't it? Which is why it's email marketing is a numbers game. Not just numbers, it's a timing game. And you don't know when the right time is when you're doing your marketing emails. So um, every now and again, I always say it's worth doing because you just never know. 99 times out of 100, it's not the right time for the person you're emailing, but the one time that it is makes it all worthwhile, doesn't it? So you've probably sent us quite a few emails over months and years, but well done. You persisted and it worked. So thank you as well for doing that. The next thing is you never know unless you try. So we need to try this, see if it works. If it does work, as I say, we'd do it. We'd do
Okay,
it
okay,
long term. We'd look to do
okay.
it.
Yeah,
You know.
sounds good. So, your decision after finishing the meeting, our team member will knock you. So, which package you want to take and how you want to pay, and would you want to start with access or video link? You can let us know, and definitely we would be waiting for your response. And when you permit us, then we'll work for you.
Marvelous. So yeah, send me all the details of what the packages cost and everything else there. I'll have a look and we'll get something signed off to give it a go.
Okay, okay. So thanks for your time and hope to work with you for a long time. And bye for now.
Yeah, thank you
Yeah,
both. Speak
yeah,
soon. Take care and have a good weekend. Enjoy your Friday
yeah.
evening.